Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen for another one of my recipes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful banana clafoutis. It's the perfect blend between tender cake and a creamy custard, and can be filled with an endless amount of delicious sweet ingredients. Okay, without further ado, let's dive into the recipe. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, today on the menu is clafoutis. It's a beautiful cake slash custard, almost like a fluffy, custardy cake. Most of the time it actually comes with cherries during stone fruit season, which is during the summer. That's obviously come to an end, and I'm gonna be doing it with the banana. Usually banana bread's a really big thing towards the fall, later ends of summer, here in the States at least, and it has a really nice kind of warming, cold weather feel. So I'm going to show you guys a quick demo on how to make a clafoutis, and I think you guys are going to see it's pretty simple. All right, so first thing that goes in, sugar, a little bit of salt. It's always good to have a good amount of salinity in your desserts. It's vital for flavor. Some vanilla paste. And it's going to be some melted butter. A little whisk. 2 whole eggs. Try to make them at room temp. Wash out in there. I'm just gonna whisk this in, just till it all comes together. And we'll add in the milk, and then a little flour, and alternate. Because you don't want to overmix the flour. Alright, that looks beautiful. Alright, for the ramekin you're actually going to be using to cook the clafoutis, should be slightly greased with some butter, like I'm doing here, or a little bit of vegetable oil. That can work as well. Just give this a stir. It's going to go straight into the pan. I'm also going to put a few slices of this banana inside, just so that banana flavor sort of permeates through the custard batter. But I'm going to reserve some of the other banana to caramelize for a nice little garnish. This is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes, maybe a little less. Clafoutis is done. This is a beautiful recipe. Look how it turned out. I mean, obviously it deflates a little bit after you pull it out of the oven. That's just the nature of this recipe. But what a cool dish. I mean, just these little edges. I mean, come on. Wow, very, very good. Almost like a sweet Yorkshire pudding. If you've ever had Yorkshire pudding, you know what I'm talking about. Kind of just this little crispy custardiness to it. Kind of in between cake and custard. So good. I already tried to have a bite in the middle. It's like so hot. I have to be careful. But it's almost like slightly dense creme brulee with cake elements to it. The banana is fantastic as well. This would be great with the scoop of ice cream. I didn't put my caramelized banana garnish on like I said I was going to. It is a really cool garnish. I just didn't feel like it was going to work out aesthetically. but it is really good on the side. And even if you were to plate this up, like cut it into a few different pieces and serve it onto plates, that'd be a great thing to serve it with, is this like roasted caramelized banana and a scoop of ice cream, which that would be a great addition to this recipe. I hope you guys learned something today. If you did, give this video a like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the recipe. Comment down below for future video requests, things you want to see on my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy what I do here, and I will see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, guys.